Ready for some more fun? It's time to have some more fun! Here we go! Welcome to Crown Showdown, where one player will rule the day and the others will rue it. But first, pesky rules. Yeah, in Crown Showdown, you race to win a set of number of minigames before your commenters do it first. Pew! What type of minigames? Up to you, or select random to leave it a chance. Okay, here we go. 4-player, we're gonna do 2 versus 2 for now. But I'm gonna team up with... Siguro team up with Quick and San Jose para we can make it good. For this battle, you'll split into 2 teams. Let's call them the red team and the blue team. Rafi and Ramskyle, or Kuya Ken San Jose, or Kawhi De Santos, or Bruce Roland are on the blue team. While all the girls like Jenica, Brianna, Kay, Francine, Angela, Maylin, Natalia, Eileen, Andrea, Colleen, Colette, Katana are on the red team. Done deal, setting set. Now that you know the rules, one Crown Showdown coming up. Psst. Got it. Crown goes to the biggest hit. Whoever gets 5 wins first. Trolling, absolutely. So now that you've heard jibber jabber, let's kick off this Crown Showdown. Now for our first minigame, let's see if you Royal competitors be royal pains out there. That's right, baby Jayu! Tayo na! Mag-spin tayo ng wheel! O, di na tayo sa madilim! Tayo na! Mag-turn na tayo! Yes! Kali naman tayo, Ben Tabs! Suabe! Nice one, Ben! Nice one, Cam! Nice one, Kuya Ken San Jose! Or Kawoy! On to the next game, everybody! Spin the wheel! Ay, mabilis lang yan. Yan! Next game, everybody! Spin the wheel! Ay, nako, in the outfield na naman tayo. Ano yung bola? Yo, Rans, where's the ball? Give it to me, please. Yan. Hoy, wag sa kabilang dulo. Dito tayo. Yan. Jillian, what the heck? Jillian Pamat, wag. Hoy, Jillian, gago ka. Akin yung bola, tayo mo talaga. Yan mo na. Yan. Ilan pa? Yun, isa na lang yung bola. Talon. Yes! Thank the Lord. This is so easy. So sorry, Aya Domingo. Next game, everybody. Spin the wheel. I like that game. Bilisan mo talaga, bro. Okoy, bilisan mo. Yan, tapos. Galing tayo, no? Galing tayo mag-grow tayo dyan. Suwabe. Ay, naku, lahat kayo, wala kayong duda. Lahat kayo magdumangay walang kwenta. Ano ba yung mga girls na yan? Ano si Lauren Kim at saka si Baby Colette o si who's this? Kyle, o si Andrea, o si Sai, o si Kristen, o si Princess J.
Whoop whoop! Crown the win! The blue team needs only one more to win!
Yeah, we're gonna get it, bros. Shut up. Come on, bro. We're teammates. We can do this. Okay, what's the last game? Ay, naku, ayoko dito. Mga malas kayo. Sana magana tayo dito. Lahat kayo mahuhulog. Pero kami at saka Bruce mananalo. Bruce, you're a tough guy, right? Show me your strength, bro. You can do this. Kaya mo yan. Mamatay ka na, Princess Alia, putay mo. Talo ka. Uy, Charlie Deming, daw ka. Talo ka. Puta na ako, barbanalo na ako. Mapwisit ka. Lumas ka na, Chan, pwisit. O talaga yung PK Chan. Lumas ka na, Tito Sandra. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Lumas ka na dyan, pwisit ka. Puta, ika mo! Kami yung panalo! Wala kayong puntos! Mga buwisit kayo! That wraps up Ground Showdown! And the Showdown's winner... Shut up! We are shut up! Waluigi the winner! Waluigi number one! Waluigi number one! Hey, we're supposed to shut up! Yeah, baby! Waluigi winner! Waluigi number one! Waluigi win! Waluigi defeat Ravi! We're supposed to be shut up!